You can have a job, or you can have a career, or you can have a calling. And if you can somehow figure out how to have a calling, you have hit the jackpot, because that's the big deal.
Hey, what's up, my friend? Today I stumbled upon an old video featuring Jeff Bezos sharing his invaluable business advice. As someone deeply passionate about entrepreneurship and online businesses, I couldn't resist sharing my thoughts on some of the powerful messages Jeff Bezos conveyed. So let's dive in.
Do something you're very passionate about, and don't try to chase what is kind of the hot passion of the day. Seen in that light, it really was a difficult choice, but ultimately I decided I had to give it a shot. I didn't think I'd regret trying and failing, and I suspected I would always be haunted by a decision to not try at all. After much consideration, I took the less safe path to follow my passion, and I'm proud of that choice.
Jeff Bezos hit the nail on the head here. Following your passion is not just a cliche, it's a fundamental principle of success. I resonate with his story of leaving a secure job to pursue his dream of revolutionizing e-commerce with Amazon. It's a reminder that the path to success often requires bold leaps of faith.
One of the most important choices that each of us has, and you know this just as well as I do, is you can choose a life of ease and comfort, or you can choose a life of service and adventure. And when you're 80, which one of those things do you think you're going to be more proud of? You're going to be more proud of having chosen a life of service and adventure.
Now, this is a dilemma many of us face. Do we play it safe, or do we embrace uncertainty and adventure? Bezos urges us to opt for the latter, and I couldn't agree more. Life is too short to settle for mediocrity. It's about stepping out of our comfort zones, taking risks, and making a meaningful impact in the world.
You get certain gifts in life and you want to take advantage of those, but I guess my advice on adversity and success would be to be proud not of your gifts, but of your hard work and your choices. So, you may be, the kinds of gifts you get in life, you might be really good at math. It might be really easy for you. That's a kind of gift. But practicing that math and taking it to the next step, that could be very challenging and hard, and take a lot of sweat. That's a choice. You can't really be proud of your gifts because they were given to you. You can be grateful for them and thankful for them. But your choices, you choose to work hard. You choose to do hard things. Those are choices that you can be proud of.
Bezos' insights on adversity and choice are incredibly profound. It's not about the talents we are born with, but rather the choices we make along the way. Challenges are inevitable, but it's how we respond to them that shapes our journey. As Bezos rightly points out, it's the choices we make that define us.
Every time you figure out some way of providing tools and services that empower other people to deploy their creativity, you're really onto something.
Oh yes, the power of kindness and empowerment. Bezos highlights the importance of lifting others up and providing them with the tools to succeed. This resonates deeply with me, as I believe that true success is not just about personal achievements, but almost about positively impacting the lives of those around us.
Your life, the life you author from scratch on your own, begins. How will you use your gifts? What choices will you make? Will inertia be your guide, or will you follow your passions? Will you follow dogma, or will you be original? Will you choose a life of ease, or a life of service and adventure? Will you wilt under criticism? Or will you follow your convictions? Will you bluff it out when you're wrong? Or will you apologize? As a civilization, we will have so many gifts, just as you as individuals have so many individual gifts as you sit before me. How will you use these gifts? And will you take pride in your gifts or pride in your choices?
Bezos wraps up with a powerful call to action to reflect on our gifts and the choices we make with them. It's a reminder to express gratitude for our blessings and to use them responsibly to create a better world. This message hits home for me as I'm reminded of the importance of living with purpose and intention. Jeff Bezos' wisdom encapsulates the essence of entrepreneurship, resilience, and compassion. I hope this message has inspired you as much as it has inspired me. Remember, it's not just about chasing success. It's about embracing the journey and making a meaningful difference along the way. Now, watch this video to unlock the secrets to grow an online business in today's world. We explain how we can do like Jeff Bezos to build our own ventures and take back control of our lives. See you in the next one.